Carol Fantasy Part 1. Right under the title, Belle Carol Fantasy, it says Part 1. On the second page at the top, it says Part 1-2, Part 1, second page. The patterns we have learned so far are starting in measure 9. So this is C minor. There's your black key. So this is actually do, ti, do, la. Okay. So black key, down, up, skip down. Measure 13, we've also learned this pattern. So it's your thumb, finger 1, which is la. And then it's finger 5, which is me. Me, me. Down, 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 down. Same, same. Up, 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 up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're back to your first pattern. And that's where we stopped. So when you come back from Thanksgiving, you should be able to play most of the first page. And I would like you to add the left hand. We didn't go over it in class, but it's easy. You've got a 1 chord, open. That's how they do it mostly in minor. So C minor, you've got a pinky on C, you've got a thumb on G. The next measure this is just a pattern. It goes up to the next black key. And then the next measure, it goes up one more step, no black key. And then it goes back to the black key. And then it goes back to your 1 chord. So it's just a pattern. Your thumb is the only thing moving. So at measure 9, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, up again, 2, 3, back down, 2, 3, 1 chord, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When it has a tie, you only play it the first time. That's all there is to it. Okay? Let's see here. You also, on the second page, have one little measure of that. That's at measure 32. And then you have that, let's see, do you? Yes, you have that same pattern, at measure 41, and it changes just a little bit on the end. So at measure 41, you've got la, mi, mi, down, 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 That's it changes the ending. And then you go back to the pattern you had at the beginning for a long time. That stops on measure 52. So when you come back, you can also play quite a bit of that second page starting at measure 41.